This I really love. We can, we will. Every morning, this is what I put on. This is a constant reminder of what I go to work to do. It actually says Omotenashi, which is exceeding the guest expectations. And with this, I know I can and I know I will make it a fantastic day for every guest that walks through the door. That's something that we do with the Lexus brand.
From the beginning, that is what has set us apart from the competition, is the experience we provide to our consumers and our guests on a daily basis.
The guest experience is so important. It gives us an opportunity to really surprise and delight a consumer. It's an extension of the covenant that we live by every day.
If you look at the Lexus Covenant, there's some critical components, right? The Lexus Covenant says we're going to win the race because we're going to do it right from the start. We're going to have exceptional vehicles, exceptional dealers, and we're going to treat each guest or each customer like we would a guest in our house. And that's consistent no matter where you go.
I think the Lexus guest experience is different from others in that, gosh, we mean it. You know, you talk to people at our dealerships, greeters on the drive, service consultants, sales consultants. They really believe in this brand.
I think it all comes down to relationship, how we take care of our guests. We're putting them hopefully into their dream car, and we want that to be one of the most exciting things they possibly could ever experience.
For us to stay on top, we have to be extremely transparent, very adaptive to the guest's needs.
One of the things that I do for my guests is to listen. If they need something, we're there for them 24/7.
It's really the cornerstone of what we do with our brand. Again, it's the people that really make that customer service come to life.
We try and figure out ways to help more than we try and ways to say no.
We have a big variety of guests, and with that comes a big variety of requests. One of my guests, she came to me, she said, I need a favor. I need eyelashes installed on my car. And I paused for a second. I said, eyelashes? She had tried to have someone install it and they couldn't do it. So the guys and I got together. We found a way to make it work. She's very happy about that, and she brags about it all the time.
This isn't about selling or buying cars. That's what we happen to be doing. But at the bottom line is it's about how you treat someone. And of course, the CSI is important, but you get CSI by truly caring about people.
The guest experience is so important because for those few seconds, you're the face of the company, and that interaction is what they remember.
The idea that someone is representing the entire brand for the 5 minutes they take with a guest is overwhelming on one hand, endearing on another, and just perfect. That's exactly how we all need to think, because it's true.
I think it's up to each one of us that works for Lexus, and whether you're at the retail and or on the wholesale end like I am, each of us has to embody the brand and deliver that experience.
To this day, I'm like, wow, we're doing things that other people aren't doing.
This brand is unique. The most unique thing I've ever been a part of in my whole life. And it's everything.
The product sells itself, but I think the experience is really the creme de la creme. You couldn't ask for a better combination. And with Lexus and with the right people, it's a win-win all the way around.